This video will compare solar inverter diagnostics, focusing on single-phase versus three-phase technologies, which are essential for converting solar energy into usable electricity. Inverters share the crucial purpose of converting direct current, or DC, generated by solar panels into alternating current, or AC. This AC power is necessary for safely operating household and commercial appliances. Single-phase mechanics involve the inverter generating one single sine wave, outputting a standard 230 volts. This setup is best suited for systems under 5 kilowatts and powers moderate energy demands. Three-phase mechanics generate three separate AC phases, operating 120 degrees apart. This technology supports high-demand equipment and heavy loads, often with 208 volts, 240 volts, or 480 volts outputs. When managing electrical load, single-phase efficiency drops under heavy loads. Three-phase systems distribute loads evenly across three phases, providing continuous, balanced power flow and improving motor performance. The key differences matrix highlights that single-phase uses a single sine wave at 230 volts, suitable for residential use and moderate loads. Three-phase uses three sine waves at 208 volts to 480 volts. Ideal for commercial and industrial applications with high loads, offering higher efficiency. Single-phase offers affordability, simplicity in installation, and simple upkeep. Three-phase involves a higher initial investment but reduces long-term energy costs for heavy users. It also requires professional monitoring and maintenance due to its complexity. Both inverter types support battery storage, but three-phase inverters handle larger systems much more efficiently. They also provide superior flexibility for future expansion of the solar system's capacity. The inverter selection framework suggests selecting a single-phase inverter when demand is moderate, under 5 kilowatts, the grid connection is single-phase, and the budget is strict. Select a three-phase inverter when demand is high, industrial, the grid connection is three-phase, or future expansion is planned. To conclude, single-phase ensures cost-effective reliability for standard residential homes. Three-phase guarantees stability and efficiency for commercial and high-load environments. The correct choice depends on matching the technology to the specific energy demand.